Yes, Deb, I'm very thirsty. Hey, everybody. Let me just get my door real quick. Good morning. It's Monday morning. What is it? March 12th. This year is flying by, isn't it? Flying by so much that this weekend, yesterday in fact, I noticed I reached another milestone on YouTube. I got over 4,000 subscribers. In fact, I think it was 4,001 when I actually checked. I don't know what it's at now. But I mentioned on the Merch Talk show that if I reached 4,000 subscribers, I would do a little giveaway. And that's what I'm going to do. I'll probably do another one at 5,000, a lot bigger, because that's a big milestone. One I missed on my Hydroponics channel. That one I'm at 7,000. I didn't do anything. But anyway, so this is just basically, I want to thank all my subscribers, all the people that come and watch my videos, and especially those of you that comment and like and, of course, subscribed. I appreciate all of you. Especially appreciate all the comments I get. I try to answer most of them. I don't always get to answer all of them, and I apologize if I missed yours. I got a little bit sticking out there. I apologize if I missed yours. But yeah, you guys are what makes this fun when I see people subscribing and commenting. And that makes me keep on wanting to do more videos on all the various subjects. This is not a niche channel. This is a channel on me and what I do and what I find exciting. So I know I have subscribers and followers from eBay, Amazon, resellers, the merch and pod world. And of course, the newest would be the aquaponics and microgreens and gardening. Is becoming my hobby again. I know I got out of hydroponics probably about 3 years ago. Mainly I stopped because of health, but also because the city came in and decided my greenhouse was too big and I had to get rid of it. So everything's going to be open this time, so they can't tell me to get rid of anything. So anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to have basically a simple giveaway like a lot of YouTubers do. All you have to do to enter to get free stuff here is down below is comment. You don't have to say anything spectacular. You can just say hi. Tell me how long you've been subscribed to since, maybe. Tell me your favorite part, your favorite video. I don't know. What you like hearing about. It is only for subscribers. So if you comment and you're not a subscriber, you'll be disqualified. You have to subscribe. If you subscribe first and then comment, then you're eligible. And what I'm going to do, I think, is the prize is going to be, let's say, the basic prize is going to be a $25, let's call it a gift certificate or a credit to my web store, my website, Cosmic Frogs Vinyl. That should get you just about anything on there. A water bottle, mug, a t-shirt, vinyl decal. If you want a hoodie, it's not quite enough. But I'm going to bump it up a little bit. I'm going to bump it to $30 if you've been a subscriber for more than a year. So, and I'm pretty sure I can check that. So if you just subscribe and you win, you're going to get a $25 credit. If you've won and you've been a subscriber of mine for more than a year, so you subscribed before March 12th, 2017, then you'll get a $30 credit, a little bit extra there. So this is unfortunately for U.S. residents only, kind of a rule. I don't know where the rule is, but I just read about the rule that this will be for U.S. residents only. I'll put up other rules that YouTube makes us put up there as a link below. But basically, as long as you're a U.S. subscriber, put a comment below. 1 comment per person. If you comment more than twice, you're going to be disqualified. So 1 comment per person. And let's say this goes till Friday. Friday till 12 p.m. noon Pacific Standard Time. So sometime after 12, I'm going to come on and do a video. I'll try to do it live. If not, it will be recorded. but to pick a winner of my little giveaway here. I'm rambling on. I'm already at 4 or 5. It shouldn't be long to announce a giveaway. Bonus entry if you want to come and help me clean my office. Just kidding there. Just kidding. I need to get busy on the office. But quick recap giveaway because I reached over 4,000 subscribers. All you have to do is comment below as your entry to win. You must be a subscriber. You must be a U.S. I'm not going to say citizen, but you must live in the United States. The mailing address must be U.S. What else? $25 credit to my web store if you are a new subscriber. 6, I'm running out of fingers here. 6, if you have subscribed longer than a year from today's date, then you'll get a $30 credit. Okie dokie. That should round everything up. And as soon as I post this, it is, boom, live. And that's it. Thank you guys. I really appreciate it. If you're just watching this now, please comment, like, and subscribe. All that other stuff. So thanks, guys. I hope you have a great week. And whatever you do, gardening, reselling, or just living life to the fullest. All right. See you guys.